There are many important features in the lower end of the fibula. One really interesting fact is that the distal end forms a lateral malleolus, which further forms a bony bump on the lateral side of the ankle, which can be very easily palpated. Distal end has four surfaces: anterior, lateral, and medial surface, as well as a posterior surface. The anterior surface is rough and rounded, so much like a stone. The posterior surface has a groove which helps in avoiding the compression through muscles or the external forces. Now, the lateral surface, which is subcutaneous. It means there is just some fat between the bone and the skin, and there is no particular muscle attachments in this area. Medial surface, which has a triangular facet, which is a smooth flat surface forming the joint with another flat bone for the talus. It also consists of a hollow depression called the malleolar fossa. So these were all the bony landmarks. Switch to the next section for muscle attachments.